Before you spend your money on Curvirox, you might want to watch this because what looks like a premium skincare brand at first glance starts to feel very different once you take a closer look. I went through the Curvirox website, explored their product listings, checked their overall presentation, and honestly, the experience raises a lot of questions. The site gives off a polished, high-end vibe, but when you dig deeper, it doesn't really function like a genuine skincare brand. Instead of a focused lineup, you'll notice a mix of unrelated products, from skincare items to random gadgets, which is usually not something you see from specialized brands. As I continued reviewing everything, I couldn't find clear company details, which is typically a basic level of transparency most legitimate businesses provide. The branding also leans heavily into a premium and made in USA style image, but without solid backing or proof, it starts to feel more like a marketing angle than a verified claim. Looking at the product images and descriptions, some of them appear overly polished or possibly edited, which makes it harder to judge the real quality of what you're getting. Pricing is another thing that stands out, as many items feel marked up compared to similar products you can find elsewhere. After going through reviews and overall user feedback patterns, there are mixed signals, especially around delivery times, product quality, and customer support experiences. Now, this doesn't automatically make Curvirox a scam, but it does follow a pattern often seen with general product websites rather than established brands. So at the end of the day, it really comes down to how much risk you're willing to take before hitting that buy button.